Hi everyone, welcome back to my PyTorch course from fundamental to production. So before we dive in, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this course with anyone who wants to, let's say, master deep learning. So have you ever wondered how the top AI engineers build and deploy cutting edge deep learning models? What if we could, let's see, learn the exact process from start to finish? Stay tuned to discover how the complete course will transform you from the, let's say, PyTorch beginner to production ready expert. So look at this comprehensive journey we are about to embark on together. 8 powerful modules covering everything from tensor basic to production deployment. But here's a question: what would it mean for you, for your career? Let's see, if you could truly master Python from end to end, how much more valuable would you be as a developer or a data scientist? So keep watching to see exactly what skills you will gain and how they will, let's see, develop your deep learning capabilities. So you can see here PyTorch Foundation. So everyone needs, let's see, a solid foundation, right? So the same goes from PyTorch Mastery. So in module one, we will build your, let's see, the rock solid understanding of tensors, Autograd, and computational graph. So, but why do we, let's see, so many beginners struggle with this concept, and what common mistakes could be, let's see, costing you hours or maybe frustrations? And stay with us to learn the right way from the start and avoid the, let's see, the issues that trip, let's say, up most of the learners, or let's say stop the learners. So this will start from, for instance, from the from the tensor fundamentals. And next module, it's ready to build your first neural network. So in this module, it will take you, let's see, from the manual implementation to the power of torch NN, so torch dot neural network. But have you ever wondered what it really happened under the hood of this, let's say, of this library, when you call, for instance, model dot forward, and how do activation functions transform your data, and what makes a training loop truly professional? So don't go away. We will answer these questions and more questions and give you the confidence to build any neural network architecture. Let's see. And in this module, PyTorch workflow and data pipelines. So data is the livelihood of deep learning. I mean, the data is the main key of any deep learning or any algorithm. But you are handling it efficiently. Uh, so in this module, we will reveal the professional workflow that separate beginner from expert. So how do the top teams create custom datasets that load lightning fast? So sometimes the loading the data, it's critical. Sometimes it takes much time, pre-processing, post-processing, and etc. So what secret technique do they use for the for experiment tracking, and why it's a proper data handling often, let's see, the difference between model that fails and one, let's see, succeeded. So keep watching to unlock these workflow secrets. So as you can see, I think it will be more clear if we go into more details one by one. So, and also here the most, let's see, interesting part, which is computer vision with PyTorch. So, computer vision is a transforming our world. So, PyTorch is the, I will say, is at the forefront. So, there are also several, I will say, frameworks like TensorFlow, also Keras, it's also including TensorFlow. And let's see the most popular, I would say popular one in the research area, and also in the some in the development, or let's see in the production. And we are now in the this one here. So this module here will reveal the professional workflow that separate. We will teach the main. Let's see. You will master CNN and transfer learning. But have you ever wondered how model like ResNet achieve such incredible accuracy? By the way, some of these concepts already explained in my machine learning course. It was in a more details with really uh, simple examples, and I'm quite sure that you will understand everything. So, what magic happens during transfer learning, and how can we get the state of the art result even with limited data? So, stay tuned as we simplify this concept and give you the tools to build amazing computer vision, let's see, models. And these advanced deep learning, so the transformers, let's say, has revolutionized AI. So once the transformers is invented, or let's see, published, everything is changed. But how do they actually work? So in this module, we will dive deep into the attention mechanism and advanced architecture. What makes self-attention so powerful, and how do query key values are interact to create understanding, and what secret do transform hold that make them so effective. Don't miss this module. We will, let's see, unlock this concept and show you how to implement cutting edge architectures. And debugging and profiling optimization. Of course, you're implementing some modules, but how to debug, how to find the, let's see, the issue, how to profiling your code, and how to do the optimization. So in this module here is your troubleshooting toolkit for when things goes, let's say, go wrong. How do we identify why your loss is not, let's say, decreasing, and what techniques can speed up training by two times or three or more times, and what are the hidden bottleneck killing your model performance. Keep watching to discover the debugging and optimization secrets that separate the pros from professional from the, let's see, from the beginners. And the next one here, which is, let's see, it's really interesting because most of the courses in YouTube, they give you, for instance, of course, there are several really fantastic courses, but they have only, let's say, they use dummy data, but in our case, we will use real projects, and we will try to use production and development, because I have been working several years, so I'm giving you my experience. So building a great model is only half of the battle. So when you create a model and did the production and, let's say, testing, so this is half of the journey, I will say. And the second, the next journey, or let's say the next stage, is the production and development. So getting this model into a production is where many, let's see, trouble occur. So in this model, show you how to deploy your model like professional. How do you export models for maximum capabilities? So I will show you how to do the, for instance, the quantization, dynamic, static, and how to do the, let's see, the quantization into integer 8 and many other exports. Let's see, and we will try to do some let's say development options like Docker and Azure. So this here is Amazon Web Services is optional. And let's see, we will see what is the best way to save production at scale, and how do top team deploy models that handle millions of requests. So stay with us to learn the production techniques that will make your model truly valuable. And this one here, this model, end-to-end real world project. As I said before, some YouTube courses or any other courses, they use toy, let's see, data sets. But in our course here, we will use a very, let's see, professional real world project. So module 8 is where the theory meets practice. So in a complete image, for instance, classification system. So how do we go from raw data to deployed application? What decision do expert makes at each step? And what does a complete professional deep learning project actually look like? So don't go away. We will guide you through the every step of this project that ties everything together. And this is as a bonus model. So uh, think we are done, not even close. Our bonus model add incredible value to your learning journey. So how can you ask any professional technical interview what tools can make you develop your development, let's see, 10 times faster? How do you, let's see, train a model across multiple GPU? And what does it take to deploy models into edge devices? I have been working with edge devices, and I can also try to show you how to quantize the model, for instance, for the Korea devices, or maybe Halo chip. And again, right. And so keep watching these bonus materials that will give you, let's see, a free advantage in the world of deep learning. And now you have seen what this, let's see, comprehensive course offers, from PyTorch to fundamental. From PyTorch fundamentals to production deployment. Now imagine yourself applying these skills to real world problems. Sorry. So building state-of-the-art models and advancing your career. Your project will tackle first, how will you use these skills to make your mark in the world of AI? So this journey will start now, and be ready to, let's see, begin. Remember, please, to like, subscribe, and share this course with the others who wanna to, let's see, master deep learning. Thanks for watching, and see you next time in the first lesson.